all started about 5 years ago because we, in our high school, had our first science lab or project where they programmed some robots, but they were commercial. They were not made. They were not handmade. And 5 years ago arrived a 3D printing machine. So they started making on Tinkercad the first base of the chassis of the robots. And after the evolution we've been giving to the first model, nowadays we have this one, which is the one that we have today. The parts are really simple. It does have the basic motors and the whole programming thing, which gives the information to the motors. I'm going to let my artist.
Okay, I create the app, and it's the function of the app is like Siri. You can talk with the app, and also you can control the robot by Bluetooth, and you can control by your voice. We have two apps, by voice and by buttons. And after we speak, we talk, we are going to do a demonstration.
Well, and now Angel and me, we are going to talk a little bit about the development and how